Hey folks, Farmer Marshall here. And what you're looking at is my 20 cubic square feet upright freezer. And I was wondering, what's going to happen, not if, but when the power goes out, because it always goes out sometime. In fact, my I had to replace my electrical panel earlier this year. That's a lot of food to lose if your power goes out for any decent period of time. So, question is, when the power goes out for, let's see if I can get this unplugged, any period of time, what can I do with my Bluetti EB70S? It has 800 watts available. And let's see what type of power it's going to use. $287 watts. That's a little bit over, it's over 2 hours, not quite 3, maybe 2 hours, 30 minutes, 2 hours, 45 minutes. But I imagine that if the power goes out, I have 2 days with the freezer doing what it needs to do. And then I can take this, run it for a couple hours, get things colder again, because it's not going to go dead after, or it's not going to go completely defrost after 2 days, but it'll just stop. Things will start to slowly defrost. So I have anywhere between 2 and 3 hours of power. And the plan is to plug in the Bluetti at night for however long it runs it, and then in the morning plug my Bluetti into my panels, charge it back up through the day. Might take 8 hours, might take 10, probably less than 8 if it's a decent day of power. And then in the evening, plug it back into the freezer and repeat, rinse. So hope this gives you an idea of what your Bluetti can do. Farmer Marshall, let's go out there and get a little dirty and use your prep.